Nangita ba ka og dako nga property sa Samal Island nga naanay income dayon and still has excellent long-term potential? Basin kini na ang imong gipangita, located in Barangay Gilon, Samal Island, this established fruit-bearing farm covers almost 11 hectares with a total land area of 109,628 square meters. Dako kaayo ang property ug along the road pa, so dali ra kaayo ang access. From the ferry terminal, mga about 25 minutes lang ang biyahe. Whether you're planning to venture into agriculture, expand your existing farm, or develop an agritourism destination, this property offers huge possibilities. Dili ni ordinaryong yuta. This is an established orchard with hundreds of fruit-bearing trees already growing on the property. Very productive na ang farm. Around 80% of the pomelo trees are already productive. Mandarin orange also producing around 90%. Longkong lanzones are already 70% productive at meron din tayong durian at mangosteen. So when you invest in this property, you're not simply buying land. You're investing in a farm that's already productive and has the potential to grow even more. To support daily farm operations, the property is equipped with a deep well water source, 3 huge open-type buildings, 2 bunkhouses, complete with toilet and bath, and a vermi-composting facility. Isa pa sa dakong advantage ani kay clean title ang property, giving you peace of mind when it comes to ownership and transfer. As Samal continues to grow, properties of this size and potential are becoming increasingly difficult to find. Kung long-term investment ang imong gipangita, this orchard is definitely worth seeing in person. If you'd like to know more about this property, please feel free to send me a message. I will be glad to
Oh,
share
look at
with you
that.
the complete property profile, location map, and help you schedule a private
Oh,
site
diba? Ang
viewing.
ganda. So, galing naman.
I'm broker Susan. You may call, text, or Viber me at
Oo, mga hinog na siya.
0918-916-0453. I will be honored to help you explore whether this property is the right investment for you.